Hi, welcome to automateCRM. In this video, we are going to cover a few key features of automateCRM's drag and drop email template builder. Firstly, the email templates here are MGML based rather than being HTML based. As such, they are responsive by default. Let us take a sample email and then try to recreate the same email template in a couple of minutes without any programming. So this is the email template which we are going to take as an example here. On the top, we have our brand logo, followed by the message which we are conveying to the customers, which has been personalized by adding their first and last name. Then we have an image, which is basically the visual representation of the message above. Then we have a list of brand. After the brand names, we have a two-column layout for the USPs, followed by a call to action button. After that, we have added two product videos from our YouTube channel, which is followed by another call to action button. Now, both this button contains same link, but with different UTM parameters. So we can analyze the click rates of both the buttons on the website analytics. After that, we have our footer, which contains the social media icons and the contact details. So before we start designing the email template, let's talk about one important feature, which is preview text. Now, preview text is the short message after the subject of the email. And this message has to be short and engaging, which will help you to boost the open rate of the email. And let's suppose if we don't add a preview text to the email, then it is going to capture first few letters or words from the message of the email. So this is the email template builder of Automate CRM. Let's just mention the template name first. And after the template name, we have to select a module. Now here you have the options to select any module from the CRM. It is not limited to only contacts, leads, or organization. You can select any module from the CRM. So as of now, we are going to select leads. And after selecting the module, we have some beautiful pre-built email templates for you for different occasions like product launch or birthdays and etc. But for this video, we are going to start it from the scratch so we can observe the key elements of the template builder. So let's do that. Now let's first mention the subject line for this email. And then let's mention the preview text. So under settings, we have the option for preview text. Let's add the preview text here. And then we have some basic components which you can easily drag and drop and use in your email template, like text, images, GIF, buttons, dividers, spacers, social media channel links, videos, HTML contents. If you have HTML content, you can also add that in your email template. Then if we talk about pre-made, we have a lot of options in pre-mades as well. So we have pre-made headers, contents, e-commerce contents, then footers and all of those things. Then after the contents, we have some structures like layouts. So here we have different kind of layouts like single column or double column or three columns or 40-60 and so on. So now let us go back to the template and let's see the templates once again. So here, as per the template, we have to add the brand logo first. So let's do that. To add the header, we have to click on this add icon. Once we do that, we have to click on pre-made. Under pre-made header, and here we have different options for headers as well. Now for this video, we are going to use this header with the white background. And as per the template here, we don't have social media icons on the header. So let's remove that first. Now the icons have been removed. Let's add the brand logo. So here we have the option of choose image. Once we click on choose image, we are into the file manager of Automate CRM. And this file manager is basically for to save and store your creatives. Now the logo has been added into the template. After the brand logo and the header, as per the template here, we need to add another block which will contain the email message along with the personalized first and last name of the customer. So let's add that block. So here we need to click on this add icon, and then it will be a single column block. Let's add the text element. Now let's first personalize the first and last name here. So here we have the option of personalized, where you can pick up the field values from the record itself. Now these field values are not limited to just first name and last name. You can pick up any field value from that particular record, like mobile phone, company, designation, primary email, whatever fields are available in that particular record, you can pick up that field value here. So as of now, we are going to pick up the first name and then the last name. And also we have the options of some general fields like current date, time, unsubscribe URL, portal URL or site URL, which you can easily pick up from here. Now let's mention the message of the email. Now let's just have a quick look at the email template again. So as per the email template here, after the email message, we need to add another block which will contain a product image, and that image will also have an sticker. And after that image, we need to add some brand names. So let's do that. First, we need to add a block here. So it is going to be a single column layout again. Then we need to add the image. Let's go to the file manager, and here we have the folder created for product image. So let's pick up the product image from here. Now the image has been captured, and now we have to add a sticker on top of this image. So we have a beautiful image editor as well, and this image editor comes with all the editing features like filters, adjustments, core. Even if you want to add some kind of text on top of your image, you can also do that. Even if you want to add some shapes, you can also do that. So let's add the sticker. So this sticker will be an award kind of a sticker. So let's add that. And we also have different kind of stickers pre-built in the editor itself. Now we have the options to resize the sticker, and also the option to drag and place the sticker where we want. So let's place it at the top. And now here we have the option to save, and let's click on use and close. Now the product image has been added and the sticker also added on top of the image. Now let's add the brand names. The block will be a single column layout. Now let's go into the pre-made. Under pre-made, we have to click on content, and here we have different kind of contents for you, like two column contents or vertical contents, horizontal contents, single contents, and so on. So let's pick up the brand names from here. Now the brand names has been added to the template. Now let us have a quick preview of the email in both desktop and mobile. So we have an option of preview over here. So now here in desktop view, that's how this email will look, which is pretty good as of now. Let's have a look at the mobile device view. So in mobile device, like this email will look like, but here we can see this brand names are coming vertically, and that is not looking good. So here we have another option in the builder. So what we can do here, we can select the block, and we can also select on which device we want to hide this block. So as of now, we want to hide this particular block on mobile devices. So let's enable this. And now let's have a quick preview again. So in desktop view, we are getting the header, the message, the image with the sticker, the brand names. Now let's go to the mobile view. And here we have the header, the message, the image, but the block for brand names are hidden. Now let's go back to the editor and add the next component into the template. After the brand names, we need to add another block which will contain the USPs and the messages. Then after the USP, we need to add the call to action button which will say sign up. So let's add these things. First, we need to add a block, single column. Now let's add the content. So under pre-made content, now this time the content will be 2-column layout. So let's select this. Now here in the template, we don't have the top stories or articles or the dates. So let's remove this, the dates. Now let's change the images. Choose image. We have the folders for USPs. So let's pick up the image from here. Let's do the same for the next one. Now the image of USPs have been added. Now here we have the options of margin. So if you want to give margins in between the columns, you can also do that. You can do it individually, top, bottom, left, right. Now let's just add the call to action button. Let's add another block, single column layout. Let's click on this add icon. Now under basic, we have the option of button. Let's click on that. Let's change that text. Let's call it sign up. Now we can also change the text size. So let's keep it at 20 pixel. Now let's change the button color and add the website link. So here on the top, we have the field for the link. So here we can mention the website link. Now the website link has been mentioned and the button has been added. So after the call to action button, we need to add some YouTube videos from our YouTube channel. So let's do that. Now let's add another block. And this time this will be a 2-column layout. Let's add the videos here. So under basic, we have the option of video. Let's do that. Now here we need to mention the video link, which is on top. Now the video link has been mentioned and the video has been captured. Let's do the same for the second video. Let's mention the second YouTube video link. So the link has been mentioned and the videos has been captured. Now let's just quickly have a look at the email template again. So as per the template here, after the YouTube videos, we need to add another button which will say learn more. So let's do that. And now since we have already created a button and added it into the template, we can copy it and drop it below the video. So let's do that. So now the second button have been added. Let's change the text here. Let's call it learn more. Let's change the button color. Now the button has been added. And lastly, after the second call to action button, we need to add our footer, which will contain the social media icons and our contact details. So let's do that. Let's add another block. This time it will be single column layout. Now let's click on the add icon, then pre-made. Under pre-made, we have footer. And then we have multiple options for footers as well, which you can easily select and use for the templates. As of now, we are going to use this one, which is with the white background. Now let us change the details over here. Now here we can also change the text size and text color. So let's keep the text size as 15 pixel and let's change some text color. Let us remove this because we don't need this. Let's change this color as well. Let's keep it at blue. Now for the social media icons, we have plenty of options of icons, so that also you can choose and select from here. So we have different kind of shapes, colors, black and white and gray, round, square, all of these kind of icons we have, which you want to use, you can use from here, and all those icons will be completely responsive. And now our email template design has been completed. Now let us have a quick preview of the email template in both the devices. So we have to click on preview. First, the desktop view. In desktop view, we have the header with brand logo, the message with personalized first and last name, then the image with the sticker, the brand names. After that, we have the USPs, the first call to action button, YouTube videos, and then we have the second call to action button, which is followed by the footer. Now let us have a quick preview of the mobile view. And we have hidden this particular block in mobile view. So this brand name block will not be visible in mobile view. So let us have a look. So here we have the header, the message, image with the sticker, USPs, first call to action button, YouTube videos, second button, and the footer. So everything's look pretty good, and our email template is ready. So that's all as an overview of email template builder in Automate CRM. Hope this will save a lot of time and resources. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment, or you can reach out to us through our website, which is automatecrm.io. You can also schedule a free CRM workshop with us. The link is in the description. Have a nice day, and thank you very much for watching.